With Focus, your device automatically silences some notifications and calls based on what you're doing. You can personalize a focus for working, driving, or whatever you want. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a focus and how to use it. Let's start by setting it up. In Settings, tap Focus. Here, you'll find some suggested focus options that you can tap to customize. Before you select a focus, you can turn on Share Across Devices if you'd like. Turning a focus on for this device will turn it on for all of your devices signed in with your Apple ID. You can also turn on Focus Status so that apps can share that you have notifications silenced when people message you. To add a new focus, tap the Add button, which looks like a plus sign in the upper right corner. You can tap Custom to build your own, or choose a suggested theme. We're going to add a focus for mindfulness. Tap Customize Focus to continue. In any focus, you can choose which notifications you want to come through while this focus is turned on. Tap People to choose people you'd like to receive notifications from. If you choose Allow notifications from people you select will come through immediately. All others will be silenced. Or you can choose Silence notifications from instead to silence notifications from the people on this list. If you'd like to add a person to this list, tap Add People, select a contact, and tap Done in the upper right corner. You can also choose who to allow calls from while this focus is turned on. Tap the menu next to Allow Calls From and choose a group, like your favorites list and contacts. We're going to choose Allowed People Only, which is the list of people we just added to this focus. All other calls will be silenced and go to voicemail. Tap Back in the upper left corner to return to your focus settings when you're done. To customize app notifications, tap Apps, and then select if you'd like to make a list of apps to allow or silence. We're going to silence our app list. Tap Add Apps, choose the ones you want, and tap Done in the upper right corner. There. Now notifications from these apps will go straight to Notification Center when this focus is turned on, except if they are from the people you added to your Allowed People list earlier. Tap Back in the upper left corner when you're finished. You can choose a custom lock screen to fit your focus theme and to remind you at a glance that focus is turned on. Under the lock screen icon, tap Choose, select one of your lock screens, or choose a new one from the gallery, and then tap Done in the upper right corner. You can also choose a home screen page for this focus and hide the rest to help reduce distractions. Under the home screen icon, tap Choose, and select one of your home screen pages, or create a new one with suggested apps to fit your focus. Then, tap Done in the upper right corner. You can set a schedule to turn focus on automatically at a set time, location, or while using a certain app. You might find a suggested option listed here, or you can tap to set one up. And to customize how certain apps behave while your focus is on, you can set up a focus filter. Filters will allow certain notifications from apps to come through. Just tap Add Filter and select a filter. For example, you can silence calendar invites from work or only allow messages from the contacts you added to your Allowed People list. Now that your focus is set up, it's ready for you to use anytime. To turn it on, open Control Center and tap Focus. You can tap a focus to start it, or tap the More button, which looks like 3 dots, next to a focus to choose a set amount of time. We're going to turn our focus on for an hour. Then, return to the home screen. If you assigned a home screen page to this focus, your other pages will be hidden. While focus is turned on, all of your silenced notifications will be sent immediately to Notification Center, where you can view them anytime. When your iPhone locks, you'll find your customized lock screen, if you chose one for this focus. Your lock screen also displays an icon at the bottom of the screen when you're using a focus. You can tap it to change to a different focus or to turn it off. You can also turn it off by going back to Control Center. And that's how you can stay in the moment with Focus. To learn more about your iPhone, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.